Running a business in this 2025 without AI is like delivering packages on foot while your competitors are using drones. It's like trying to fly without wings. But with AI, you can automate your business and increase your profit. And the good part of it is that most of the AI tools you need, you can get them free of charge. You can use these AI tools to upgrade your writing, create your content like a pro, analyze your business data, and begin to make more money for yourself without extra charge or extra staff. All you need is AI tools. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful AI tools that you can use as a small business owner to grow faster, make more money, and build a strong brand around your business. And you don't need to be a technical expert for you to achieve all this. AI is not just for tech giants anymore. Small business owners like you and me can now automate whatever we are doing and make more money for ourselves. You won't believe how easy it is to build a standout brand with all these free AI tools, and most business owners do not even know about this. So stick around and let's take a look at these 5 powerful AI tools that you need today in your business. Let's start with the brain behind all of this, ChatGPT. As a small business owner, a consultant, a teacher, a content creator, any field of life, name it, ChatGPT is your virtual assistant. Think of it like a part-time content creator, email writer, idea generator, and problem solver 247. You can ask ChatGPT to write a business plan for you, a product description, business proposal, sales emails, short SMS, YouTube scripts, social media content, and so on and so forth. With ChatGPT, you don't need to outsource any of these that I've already mentioned. With a simple prompt, you get your job done. For example, let us assume you are into e-commerce business and then a customer made an order and you were not able to deliver on time. You can ask ChatGPT to write a friendly apology email to such customer and you will see it done in minutes. And that is why I say that ChatGPT is like having an idea machine in your pocket. It helps you save time and boost your professionalism in every area of your business. So if you have not been using ChatGPT, you need to start today. And let's take a look at the app and how you can integrate it into your business. By the way, my name is Emmanuel. If you are watching me for the first time, please go to the comment section and comment first time. If you have been watching me before, also go to the comment section and comment regular. I really want to connect with you so that we keep discussing on all these AI tools and how to use them to make money and build wealth for ourselves. Okay, this is my ChatGPT here. So let's take a look at how this app functions. So let's take a look. I'll click on it. So this is my ChatGPT. For you to get one, you go to Apple Store or any of these app stores that you have and then download ChatGPT and then sign up. When you sign up, you can come here and then explore what you have already done with ChatGPT or depending on whatever you need. But to customize your ChatGPT, you click on this particular area. This is where you have your details, your settings and other things. So you click there and then you will see your name, your email, and then other things you need. And if you want to personalize your ChatGPT, to customize it so that it does exactly what you want based on the type of work you are doing, this is where you do that on this particular place where they wrote personalization, this particular area. You click on it and then you personalize and give ChatGPT custom instructions. These custom instructions is to make it to function exactly the way you want. So on these custom instructions, you click on it and then this is where you give ChatGPT set of instructions that will make it to function like a pro. So that is how to use ChatGPT. Then you come to this area You come to this area, you will see this place they wrote explore ChatGPT. This place they wrote explore ChatGPT. You can as well explore ChatGPT here. You can as well explore ChatGPT. This is where you begin to check what particular ChatGPT function you need. So these are the things you see on Explore ChatGPT. You will see so many of the apps that are within this particular app, within this AI, that you can use to achieve whatever you want to achieve. You want to write for me, Scholar ChatGPT, Consensus AI, PDF Driver, Astropology, whatever you want. All these things are here. All these things are here. Just check what you want. You've written something and you want it to humanize it. This is AI Humanizer, Song Maker GPT, Chat PRD, or everything you want. Grammar checker, photorealistic image, video GPT by VED, video AI, all these things, presentations you want to do, finance and economics, marketing research, and so many things. Scholar AI. All these things are within this app. You can choose to chat with any of them and it will give you professional output at the end of the day. That is what you can get by using ChatGPT. These are so many of the apps that you can use within here. And one good thing here is that if you finish with one, you want to take it to another one, you are free to do that. And even when you do your customization, you can ask ChatGPT to use this particular AI tool or whatever, and then you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in a professional way. Now, let's go and use one of them and then try it out and then see how it works. Let's start with the writing the apology letter we mentioned before. So we are here to write an apology email to a customer whose order has been delayed as an e-commerce operator. So look at the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. I say, as an e-commerce operator, write an apology email to a customer whose order was delayed. Now let us click and then let us send this and then see what ChatGPT will give to us at the end of the day. I will click on this black circled dot where you have arrow. I will click on it and then let's watch and see the what ChatGPT will give to us. So see, it says here is a professional and empathic apology email you can send to a customer whose order was delayed. We are sorry for the delay. Your order is on the way. Dear customer, will put the first name of the customer and then look at it, look at it, look at it. So it is now left for you to pick this email and then retouch it. Just do one or two things, do some changes, put one or two things where you need to put look at it. It said, as a small token of our apology, we would like to offer you a discount. So you put it. These are the things you put. So it is now easy for you to do this without waiting for a very long time for you to be able to construct the letter. So you can just input this into ChatGPT, copy it, and then do your amendments, and then send your email. As simple as that. So that is what ChatGPT can do for you. So this is it. It's already done. It's already done. It's already done. So if you have not been using ChatGPT in your business, you need to start. Integrate it into your business and you'll see that you will save time and at the same time you will make profit and you work like a professional. So that is it for ChatGPT. Let's go to number two. Number two is Lovable AI. Let's be honest, many small business owners are not trained marketers. And that is not a problem if you are able to integrate an AI tool like Lovable into your business. Whether you want to create a business application or you are promoting a sale campaign or you are trying to launch a new business entirely or a new product, Lovable helps you to be confident, clear and persuasive without even hiring any professional. For example, you can ask Lovable to write a high converting Facebook advert for a home cleaning business, and it will deliver in seconds. Apart from that, you can as well use Lovable to create business applications that will help you to run your business better, create websites and chatbots, all in one AI tool. In fact, let's take a look at this particular AI tool and then see how you can navigate around it. This is Lovable AI, lovable.dev. You can check it through Google, or you can also go through the App Store, and then install it to your device. So with this, you can now begin to do whatever you want to do to improve and save time in your business. So when you come here, you can use Lovable to build anything you want to build. You can use it to build websites, you can use it to build landing page, you can use it to build any app that will help you to manage your business very well. Now, I've asked Lovable to build me a landing page for my home business, and then I will show you what I got at the end of the day. This is where you type your prompt, telling Lovable what you want. So let's type a prompt. This is the prompt I gave to Lovable to build me a high converting landing page for my home cleaning services. Check your own prompt or whatever you want to build. Then you use Lovable to build it free of charge. So this is the prompt I gave to it. And then look at what it came out with at the end of the day. Lovable thought for 10 seconds and started creating. And then look at what it says. It says, I will create a high converting landing page for your home cleaning services. This will be a beautiful professional website designed to convert visitors to customers. This is what Lovable can do for you without you hiring a tech person, without you hiring a professional. These are the things you can achieve in your business with Lovable. So let us explore what Lovable have produced, and then you see it for yourself. This is it. This is it. So it is now left for you to do a preview of what Lovable have done, and then do some changes if need be. We will be clicking on this particular area so that we can preview what Lovable have done, and then if there are places we will need to do some changes, we now do these changes and then upload and then begin to use our landing page. This is what it has already done for me, a landing page. Your home, spotless clean. And then you look at it, you go down, you explore, you go down, you explore all that it has already produced, the landing page, then you check it. You check it, and then you now begin to make your changes. You now begin to edit it. And then after the editing, you can now host it and then begin to use your landing page. That is what Lovable can do for you. If you go down, it has even given you some of the things that the customers are already saying about the business. So these are the things that you can achieve with Lovable, and all these AI tools that are free of charge. They have paid version, but you can as well achieve something with the free version of all these AI tools. So that is it for Lovable. Let's go to the next AI tool. That brings us to number 3. Number 3 on the list is Gamma, and I am sure that most business owners do not even know that such AI tool exists. Now imagine you need to do a presentation to a business investor, pitch your services to a client, or train your new team on your business ideas, but you have no graphic design skills at all. Gamma can help you to solve this problem. It can be an urgent business arrangement and you need a professional touch to your presentation. That is where Gamma comes in. Gamma is an AI tool that builds beautiful professional slide deck just from your ideas or outline. With one sentence, Gamma can build a beautiful slide presentation for you without you doing anything else. Just simply give it a prompt like this. Create a 7-slide pitch deck for a new organic fresh juice business. Gamma will take care of the design, the layout, the icons, and even the wordings, and give you a good looking, beautiful professional design. Let's take a look at this particular AI too, and then you see how it works. So this is Gamma.ai. To get this app, you go through Chrome browser and then you click on it and then you sign up. When you sign up, you will get free credit. If you look at this place, you see that they gave me 325 credits that I can use to experiment. And they give you this credit every month so that you'll be able to do whatever you want to do. So let's explore this particular app and see what we can use it for. Now you can see some of the works I've already done with this AI tool. I've done some work already, like this one. This is one of the work I've done with this. But today we'll be creating a new work altogether so that you can see how this particular AI tool works. So let's click on create new. Let's click on this particular place. Let's click here, create new. So we'll click on it and then we see what we will get. You can use your phone and at the same time you can use laptop. But for you to actually experience this particular app very well and enjoy it, it is better to use laptop. But that notwithstanding, we can still use our phone to achieve whatever we want to achieve using this particular AI tool. I have clicked create new. So you see, these are the things it's giving us. If I want to use only the text, maybe I went through ChatGPT and generate a text that I want, maybe a write-up that I want to use, I can use this particular field. Paste your text. Once you paste the text, then Gamma will now produce the presentation slides for you. I can as well use this particular one to generate whatever I want to generate. So I will just type in the prompt and then Gamma will take care of the rest. Gamma will take care of the write-up, the icon, the layout, and everything I need. Then this one too, probably I have something in my website and I want to bring it up so that Gamma will help me to do it better. I can import the URL and then Gamma will now take care of the rest. So whichever one you want. But today we'll be giving Gamma a prompt, just a prompt, so that it will be able to generate the write-up and other things for us. So we'll be using this particular one. So we are going to click on it and then we type our prompt. So it has come up. This is where we are going to write our prompt. So we'll now write what we want Gamma to do for us and then you will see the magic. So this is it. This is the prompt I am giving Gamma to be able to produce this particular slides, the presentation we are talking about. I've told you to create a 7-slide pitch deck for a new organic juice business. Now look at this particular place. Look at this. Now look at this particular place. This is where I typed the prompt. This is where I typed the prompt. So I'll be clicking on this generate outline and then we see what Gamma will do for us. So I will click here. I will click here, generate outline, and then let's see what Gamma will do. It's already generating the outline. It's already working. These are the outline. These are the outline. These are the outline. It has already produced it. And then this is where I will now choose the way I want the visuals to be. This particular place is where I will now choose, do I want this type of visual or this type or any one. This is where I will choose the visuals. This is where I will choose the visuals, the way I want it to appear, the way I want the presentation to appear. So let's choose one of these particular visuals and then see what Gamma will do for us. Let's choose this first one. Let's choose this one now. So I'm going to click on it. That's the one I'm choosing. So I've chosen it and then I'll click here. I'll click this place they wrote generate. I'll click here so that I'll tell it to now generate the slides for me. So Gamma is working and then it will generate the slides for us and then we'll look at it, do our editing and then we use the slides. It's still working. Just watch as this particular AI tool is doing the work. So look at the presentation. Gamma have already finished with the presentation and is telling me to look at it, make my input through editing and then see what I can change or what I can add. And after that, my slide is ready. So imagine I want to make a presentation to an investor to come and invest in this my fresh juice business. Within 1 minute, even in his office, I can just type the prompt and Gamma will produce the presentation for me and I will use this presentation to make my presentation and it will look very professional and it will look very, very enticing. Just look at the beautiful slide that this Gamma app have already presented for us. Just look at this. Look at the beginning. Pure vibe, organic juice, nourish naturally, thrive fully. These are the things that you really need for you to be able to function effectively in your business. Look at it. Look at the visual. Look at the picture. Look at giving you everything you need. That is what this particular AI tool is all about. Everything. Look at it. Our solution, 100% organic. It has already described everything for you. Your own is just to pick this tool, study it, and then make your presentation. What a wonderful AI tool we have. That is what we are saying. It's just like what we said at the beginning, trying to dispatch on foot and then using the drone. Your competitors are using drone to dispatch while you are using foot to dispatch your own. So you see that the difference will be very, very clear. Gamma is one of the apps you need to integrate in your business. That is it for Gamma. Let's go to the next app. So let's take a look at number 4. Number 4 is CapCut. In this 2025, you cannot tell your story without a video. And that is why I say that video content is the king in this 2025. But what if you don't know how to edit videos and you can't afford to employ a professional video editor? And you need to generate video adverts for your products, your contents, and so on. That is where CapCut comes in. You don't need to be a professional editor for you to use this particular AI tool. And the good part is that you can get this AI tool free of charge. This particular AI tool have powerful AI features that will help you to produce videos for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, product description and adverts for your business, all from your phone. Yes, that phone that you are using now, all from your phone, you can be able to do all these things I've mentioned. You don't need a laptop. With just a few clicks, you'll be able to have an eye-catching video, either to promote your business or to create content. CapCut is one of the AI tools that you need in this 2025. Small business owners are using CapCut to build brand awareness, drive traffic, engage with customers without spending more money on any professional expert. Let's also take a look at the app and then see how you can use it. This is my CapCut. I've been using this particular AI tool to generate most of the videos you see on YouTube. So once you come to CapCut, you can download it through the App Store, or you can use your Chrome browser or any of the app stores, and then you will get this particular AI tool. Now when you come, you click on this place where you have new project. This is where you click. Once you click here, you now go to your device, to your files, and then pick the videos you want to edit, or pictures, or whatever. You bring them together to this particular AI tool, and then you do the video and then edit them. These are the previous works I've done before. If you go down, you'll see other works I've already used this AI tool to do. But let's click on new project, and then you see how you can use this AI tool. So from here, you can choose anything you want to do. You can choose any of the videos. Probably, okay, let me choose this. Let me choose this. I will now click add. I'll click add. It will add it, and then it will stop here. If you are editing and you don't want it to show this watermark, you can click on it and then you delete it, so it will not show the watermark. Now with this AI tool, you can add. You can use this button here to add. You can use this button here to add another video or another picture. You can use it to add. So when you have added, let us add another video or picture so that you see what I am saying. Let us add this. So I've added another thing. I've added another thing. So this is how you add videos or pictures depending on what you want to add. Then when you look down here, you see the different buttons you can use to do your editing. These different buttons, when you go through, you begin to see each and every one of them and the function it performs. So these are the buttons, these are the buttons, these are the buttons, these are the buttons. Let me, for example, if you want to increase the volume of what you have added, with this you increase the volume. Let's try it and then see. This is it. I will increase the volume. Now, one thing is this: CapCut is very simple to use. It's just for you to follow the simple prompt and then see what you want to use it for. You also need to bear in mind is if you are producing the video for TikTok or for YouTube, if you are producing for YouTube, you check the aspect ratio. Look at this very button. This very button here is for the aspect ratio. So you check the aspect ratio. Once you import your video, you now click on this aspect ratio, and then you see the types of the aspect ratio. You can pick any of this aspect ratio and then use it to produce your video. So with this, we'll be choosing that of YouTube, which is 16.9 aspect ratio. I'll click on it. So all these tools down, if you want to add text, you can click here and then click on add text. It will come out, then you type whatever you want to type. Let's say I want to say hello. I'll put it here and it will show. I will now choose the type of the way I want the hello to appear. Anything, I will choose it the way I want it to appear. Whichever way I want it to appear, I will choose it. So that is how you see it has already shown me this is the way the hello I typed will appear. So one of these days I will do a video on how to edit with CapCut. But with this AI tool, if you follow the prompt and all the buttons down, you'll be able to produce a very nice video that will tell your story, that will tell the business you are doing and then showcase it to the world. That is how you use CapCut to produce videos and advert productions that will help to sell your business. That is it for CapCut. In my subsequent videos, I will do a detailed video on how to use CapCut to do editing so that you also learn how to use it. So let's go to the next app. And that brings us to number 5, Notion AI. If you are a small business owner and you are not using Notion AI, you are actually missing out. Notion AI is an all-in-one productivity AI tool that most business owners are falling in love with. With Notion AI, you can organize your task, plan your projects, take notes, and even draft documents all in one workspace. This AI tool helps you to summarize meetings, generate ideas, and write contents. Let us assume you want to plan a 30-day content calendar. Just tell Notion AI what the business is all about, and Notion AI will help you to generate a very organized content calendar with post ideas, dates, captions, and even hashtags. For example, let us assume I'm into the business of producing fresh juice. I can ask Notion AI to generate a 30-day marketing plan for my fresh juice business. And Notion AI will give me everything I need, both the post ideas I will need to generate the adverts, the dates, the captions, and everything that will help me to have a successful marketing campaign. Notion AI keeps your business organized and help you to stay focused without you having a virtual assistant. Let's take a look at the app and see how it works. So this is my Notion AI. You can download it from the Play Store or any app store, or you can as well go through Chrome, whichever one you want. But for you to actually experience this particular AI tool very well, you may need to use laptop, but let's use, you can still achieve the same thing with your phone. So these are the different things you will see on this particular AI tool. If you can use this particular AI tool to do so many things. You can use it to plan your project and your task. You can use it to do your to-do list, weekly to-do list. You can use it for all your business organizations, and then it will help you to, make your plan on what you want to do. Project planner, you can see project planner, your meal planner, your project and task, your weekly to-do list. Look at this weekly to-do list. You can use it to prepare what you want to do for the week in your business. Add week dates here. For example, we can say we'll start from August 3rd to August 10th. Then we now type the things we need to do for that day. You type it in here. On Tuesday you type, on Wednesday you type, on Thursday you type, on Friday you type, on Saturday you type. You can as well use it to plan your project or your task, whatever you want to do. Like this one, we want to plan a 30-day marketing campaign for our fresh juice business. We can as well use it to do the planning. Look at it, a 30-day marketing campaign, and the rest of that. There are so many things you can achieve with this particular Notion AI. For the purpose of this particular video, let's just look at this way. I will be doing a detailed video on how to use Notion AI and how you can apply it to your business and use it to make money. But the first thing first, with this AI tool, just go to Google App Store or use your Chrome, and then you will see this app and then you begin to learn them. These are very simple AI tools that you can integrate into your business, and then you now begin to see how you can use it to improve what you are doing as a professional, and then it will help you to also make more money in your business. So that is it for Notion AI. We will be looking at all these AI tools in our subsequent videos. I will be taking them one by one, where we will now open it up and do a detailed video on how to use each and every one of them. But because of time, maybe we'll stop here for today and then take it up next time, where we'll now explain everything all together. So there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools that is changing the game for small business owners in this 2025. Each solves a problem, from content to video to productivity to marketing and so many other things. And one good thing is that you can get them free. So, which tool are you going to test first? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos to your friends. And let's keep learning about all these AI tools and how to use them to make money for ourselves. Remember, it is Amy Wealth Money Lane, where we'll talk about money and how to make money online and how to use AI tools to build wealth for ourselves. Hit the like button and start now because there is no time.